Ma'am is joining in 5 minutes. There is some technical issues.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I had some technical glitch. So we resume. What do you mean by emotions?
Ma'am, connected with relationship.
Connecting with relationships. Anybody else? Any other answer you can think of?
Ma'am, it is related to.
Okay. I would say it is feelings. Can
Feelings
you
of
call
any
them
person.
feelings? So we are going to here talk about some common emotions and ways to handle them. When they are negative emotions, we are going to be handling them in such a way that it is not going to bog us down. And so I would say we will emotionally empower ourselves. Soon after the session, I will talk about a few emotions during the session and I will tell you how to handle them because it is very important as adults or adolescent students or even as, whoever you are as humans, we need to handle our emotions. We need to take control of them. And then we need to actually think about how we are going to treat it. To hear me. So let's see what is emotional empowerment is what I'm going to actually talk about. I'm going to talk here about stress, jealousy, envy, intimidation, very common emotions. Now, emotionally empowered. First of all, when I say I'm emotionally empowered, I'm going to say that I'm going to be aware of my emotional state. What is my emotional state? Am I happy? Am I angry? Am I upset? I'm going to be aware. And I'm going to feel powerful because I'm able to control over whatever I am going through. And again, stay centered and grounded very strong so that I'm not bothered about any of the emotion that is going to bother me down. I'm going to see that it is not going to affect me adversely. Are you able to understand? Connect with me? Have you ever gone through such emotions? Anger, sadness, intimidation.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
You hear me now? You hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Yeah. So, what is the emotion that I am going get it? Can I have some response from you? Can I have some response from you? Can I have? Yes, no. Have you been angry? Have you been upset? Am I audible, first of all? Am I audible? So let Rahul, are you? What do you do when you're angry? Feel like love, hate, joy, etc. Yes, I'm audible. Yes. So what do you actually, when I am angry, I would not want to take it to frustration level. I would want to control it then and there. So what I will do is I will be an emotionally empowered person who knows who I am. When I'm an emotionally empowered person, I know who I am. I recognize my feeling. What is making me angry? Am I first of all angry, or am I upset, or am I happy, or am I jealous of somebody, or I envy someone? I'm going to recognize all these feelings. And why are these emotions coming into me? Everybody goes through emotion. It is quite common to be having emotions, and you will have to go through them. Otherwise, you're not at all living, right? So, and also when I'm able to understand what are the source, I'm able to feel comfortable from inside. Are you following? I'm able to feel comfortable from inside. Ki, chalo, I will be able to handle this emotion. Now, when I say emotions, emotions need to be felt by the body. I need to feel the emotion. I'm angry. Yes, I am angry. And it has to be passed through the body. And it has to exit the body. If it doesn't go through that, अभी आप गुस्सा हो, मम्मी ने, right? वो इमोशन को आप सप्रेस कर दे, बोल दिया, छोड़ देते. No, it doesn't work that way. वो क्या होता है आपके साथ? Through your अंदर से आपको of it going into and then getting stored there and then actually damaging your personality or having an adverse effect on your personality. It has to work somehow. Otherwise, it leads to frustration, and this frustration will get to the next level as stress. Stress will affect your body physically, like eating disorder, temper tantrums, sleep disorders, etc. So you have to be aware of your emotions, first of all. And you should know what are the emotions that you're going through, what is the source of it, and how can you have a control over it in future or let it not affect you physically or mentally. So now, talking about the legs. Am I clear? Do you have anything to share? Do you have anything to share? I don't know if you remember, as babies, we used to cry, emotionally went out whatever we had. We used to laugh, right? As adults, do you think we do that? We don't do that. Quite often we suppress all our emotions. Have you observed that? We suppress the emotions, which actually gets into our subconscious mind. So it is okay if you cry. It is okay. See, quite often there, if you are angry, they say, on a hard surface, गुस्से से आप ball फेंको, right? And do it as many times as you want, so that the anger gets vented out, right? So these are some ways. जब वो गुस्सा निकल जाता है, that is passing through your body, you're feeling, and then it is out. So vent it out. Even it is okay to cry. You don't have to be a girl to cry. You can be a boy, but please vent out all the frustration, sorrow you have, and do not react mindlessly. कोई कोई क्या करते हैं, सबके सामने टेबल बैंग करते हैं, सबके सामने चिल्लाते हैं किसी और को. इससे अच्छा vent it out, feel it passing through your body. And then when you express your emotions very assertively जब आप take time out for yourself, आप अपने लिए जब time लोगे, you will know that these emotions are controlled, or you have a control over these emotions, because you are venting it out. It has gone out of the body. Never keep your emotions inside. Now we were talking about anger. So do you accept it? Do you feel this will help you overcome your anger? In due course. ये practice करना है आपको. ये आपको practice करना पड़ेगा. It doesn't come in a day or two. Consistently practice this. Over a period of time, you will see you will be able to handle your emotions in a lot better way. Do you have anything to share here? Accept करो आप. Situation ऐसे ही होगा. I am going through this. Never question. Why me? मेरे साथ ही ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है? No. Accept what it is and don't be in a denial state. मतलब ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है? ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. And be non-judgmental. सबको होता है. सब गुस्सा होते हैं. सब दुखी होते हैं. But accept it. So what I say is, once you accept it, you will start learning to coping up with the anger. Then you will start learning to handle the emotion. So what do you feel? Now what I say is, worry is another emotion that we go through. हमेशा हमें फिक्र रहती है किसी ना किसी चीज की. अगर कुछ भी ना हो तो भी फिक्र रहती है. करेक्ट? लाइक फॉर एग्जाम के लिए मैम क्वेश्चन दे दो, क्या होगा? Quite often I find you students coming to the examination blank हो गए, and then you sit, cry, all these things. Why does this happen? It is because you're not dealing with the situation rightly. बराबर डील करो. Instead of worrying में क्या होता है आपको? आप फोकस जो है, you are trying to control your future. कल क्या होगा? मुझे पास होना है. But instead of that, why don't you go prepared? जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Accept it. Don't be judgmental. Question paper में मुझे पास होना ही है, मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा, questions मुश्किल निकलेंगे. Have you seen students who vomit, who faint in the exam hall, become blank? ये सब होता क्यों है? It is because you're constantly trying to control the future. Like for example, if I go on a holiday and I say like, मेरे पौधों का क्या होगा? What will happen to my plants? What will I do best? Instead of that, I'm going to say, I will arrange for watering my plant. So आप तब feel very tense about examinations. You know, are so tense. Of your student life. For you properly, you cannot be getting blacked out. You cannot be worried. होने ही वाला है, so you will face it. Hence, for your first of all, control your fear. Fear कैसे होता है? Fear is a common problem and it is basically a perception. डर जो रहता है ना, आपका मन में है. It is on your perception. It is on your perception. ये मुझे कुछ कर लेगा. रोड में जा रहे हो, there is a dog on the way. आपको डर लग रहा है वो काटेगा. वो आपके तरफ देखता भी नहीं है. वो आपके पास आता भी नहीं है. So it is your आपके पीछे पड़ेगा, right? The moment you turn and look at it, it is going to walk away. Exam में अगर भी हुआ तो क्या होने वाला है? Kid, if to control it, you can prepare well, right? So when you can prepare well and do the exam well, why fear? समझ में आ रहा है? If at all you fail, no one is losing your life. Understood? Can I have some response also from your side? How are you feeling? Fear is going to create a stress in you because it comes from distrust. Distrust in you. आप अपने ऊपर भरोसा नहीं रख रहे हो, right? मैं पढ़ के आई हूँ, फिर भी क्यों फेल होंगी? When I am prepared, right? When I'm going to care for myself. When I prepare for myself, going to fail, right? So, it is growing to you. And when Are you agreeing with me? सबको गुस्सा आता है, सबको डर लगता है, सबको फिक्र होता है किसी ना किसी चीज की. होता है कि नहीं? Yes, no. Yes. So, have you got small tips? हुआ तो क्या होने वाला है? Start thinking. Instead of worry, you're going to care for it. right? And do things with care. Now, let us recognize these feelings, envy, jealousy, and intimidation. हम सभी at one stage or the other we have faced rejection. हुआ है कि नहीं आपको? Like your teacher must have rejected you. Parents must have done something for your brother or sister than you. Uncle, auntie must have, got something for your cousin than you. So we feel, हमें क्यों छोड़ दिया? मैंने क्या बुरा किया? Why am I being rejected? Right? Rejection क्या है? See, you place somebody on a higher pedestal और उन्होंने आपको recognition नहीं दिया. तो क्या होता है? You go through that rejection phase. All of us have gone through that. All of us go through on a daily basis. So when we say we are rejected, we feel rejection by those whom we value, right? We are going to go through this envy, jealousy, or sometimes even intimidation. So वो क्या है? Right? What is envy? What is envy? Can somebody tell me what is envy and what is jealousy? Even chat box में लिखो. What do I mean by envy? What do I mean by jealousy? What is envy and what is jealousy? Spite. Spite का मतलब क्या है? ये बोल रहे हो और jealousy के लिए. Spite is for envy or jealousy. Fighters. How do you describe between envy and jealousy? Very good. Envious का मतलब क्या है? Can you think? Envy जो है will feel like, you feel like I envy this person. जिसको आप पसंद करते हो, but you are, feeling that you don't have that quality in you. Yeah. Feeling of discontentment, resent, or longing aroused by someone else's possession. You are right. Perfect. But दोनों jealousy और envy में क्या फर्क है? Jealousy में आप दूसरे को hate करते हो. Whereas envy में you will like that person, but you would want that quality in you. समझ में आ रहा है? ये क्वालिटी मुझ में चाहिए, बट I want that quality in me, but I love this person. आप उसको admire करते हो, at the same time you like that person, but you want that quality in you. Whereas when it is jealousy, I hate this person, कुछ ना कुछ आप गलत सोचते हो, but because of some quality he or she possesses. The answer that you gave me was right. Admiration for a quality that the other person has. But jealousy में you don't like that person, and envy में you like that person. So when I say jealousy and envy Jealousy is envy plus resentment, whereas envy is envy and low power. It leads to intimidation. Intimidation मतलब क्या होता है? Quite often I'll tell you among friends. 3 लोग friends रहते हैं. For some reason, one of them gets very close and he starts teasing. ये काफी हुआ है आपके साथ, बराबर? See, in case 3 of you are close and one of them becomes very close to the other and starts bullying you. आपको tease कर रहा है या he makes you feel less powerful, right? तो आपको लगता है it is getting intimidated. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you understanding? Intimidation is kind of bullying. ये bullying जो है बार बार क्यों होता है? And इसके वजह से क्या होता है? Reject होता है. Rejection feel होता है. I feel I am rejected and I feel the next step of rejection, if I don't start taking control of it, I will get into inferiority complex, which is a long drawn problem and it has to be addressed then and there. Take control of your situation, right? Realize your importance, realize your worth, right? So don't let the other person intimidate. Did you understand the 4 concepts? Envy, jealousy, rejection, and inferiority. Now, whenever you go home, start introspecting. What did I do last time when I was feeling worried? Why did I feel worried? Why was I angry? How did I handle it? Same way, when did I feel rejected? How did I handle it? How did I handle envy? How did I handle jealousy? Because we are going to discuss some small tips of how to handle these negative emotions, how to overcome rejection. List the qualities that you have displayed. Check karo. What qualities did you like in that person? And see, mere mein bhi wo quality hai. Like, see, if that person is able to speak sweetly, I can also speak sweetly, but in a different context. हर एक में छोटे-छोटे quality रहेंगे. But when we see the others displaying it in their own way, we are not able to accept it easily. काश मैं इसके जैसे होती. I have my own beauty. My friend has her own beauty, right? But I'm not able to accept the way her beauty is being admired. So what do? If she is my friend, if I want it in me, I will say I am envious. Then otherwise I will start hating her, which becomes a jealousy. समझ में आ रहा है? So what I will do is, I will not see what is outside of me, right? And then I will ask myself, what are the drawbacks of having that quality? उसके जैसे मैं क्यों नहीं बन सकती हूँ? Why should I become like her? I am myself. There can be only one you. दुनिया में आपके जैसे आप ही हो सकते हो. So don't try to have the other person's quality. He or she will have his own negatives. And if at all, what benefit will you gain? उससे extra क्या आपको मिलेगा? कुछ नहीं. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. Start accepting this, right? Start looking where you felt jealous or envious and how did you overcome the rejection. आपको rejection नहीं हुआ है, but that is your perception. अगर rejection किसी ने जानबूझ के किया है, that is intimidation because you chose to get into that. Understood? Now, how to overcome it? Comparing yourself, focusing on what they have and you don't. Then you get into your envy. First of all, look at what the other person has. As I told you, आप में वो अच्छा quality होगा, but कुछ और aspect में. Like if somebody is able to speak well, I write well. Somebody is able to sing well, I'm able to say read well. So depends. हर एक में कुछ और तरीके में quality रहेगा. We are never under somebody, और मैं बोलती हूँ never undermine yourself. that quality which the other person has got, you've got it in a different form, different way. And start having gratitude. When you keep in mind all that you have, all that you have been blessed with, there is a song which I have heard as prayer. Count your blessings and name them one by one. Then you will be surprised to know what the Lord has done to you. आपके पास काफी अच्छी चीजें हैं. Know what all you have, right? Then only you will list down all the blessings. Your parents may be very good, very supportive. You may have a very good home atmosphere. You may have been blessed with a very good education. And you may also be in a position where you don't have anything to complain about. But now that you've started looking out while comparing, by comparing with others, you are going to be worsening your life. But I would want you to list down all the blessings. And then when you list down all the blessings, see what benefit you have derived and be happy. Start thanking. Express your gratitude first towards your parents, your friends, your teachers. छोटी छोटी बातों में gratitude express करो. Somebody says you look good. Say a thank you immediately. Don't say, see, there is, I quite often come across. Supposing somebody says, your dress looks good. What is the first thing somebody says to me? Is, अरे बहुत पुराना है. See, start saying a thank you. He's complimenting. When he compliments, have the guts to accept it. Thank him. You may be happy from inside, but express it. Am I audible? Express it, and also express it very outwardly, like thanking the person. Thank you very much. Feel the thank you from inside when you express. It makes a lot of difference. I have practiced this, and I will definitely say it works a lot. You will be able to overcome all your shortcomings. Now, how to overcome jealousy? As I told you, jealousy and envy, though a minute difference, they give you two different extreme emotions. Envy may you like the person, jealousy may you hate the person, right? So what happens? Ask yourself if you want to overcome. What are the benefits of having those traits in you? And what are the drawbacks of not having them in? कुछ नहीं है, उसका quality मेरे में नहीं है तो क्या हुआ? I have my own benefits. Start thinking this. And we often get into an infatuation. Infatuation all the time is used synonymously with teenagers, youngsters, etc. But कोई भी quality पे हम पे जो वो झूठा प्यार आता है. झूठा means it's not a true basically. It's something which is going to last you temporarily. I would say admiration. When I start admiring somebody for a quality that he or she has, which is going to be short-lived, without recognizing my positive quality, I would say it is an infatuation. Let me balance it.
फाइंड अप करना मैम बहुत क्वेश्चन पढ़ना.
Yeah, when I talk about intimidation, काफी टाइम bully होते हैं ना. How to overcome intimidation? Can I have some response from you instead of me talking? Can you guys share? आपको ऐसे कुछ हुआ है? Have you gone through similar emotions? Have you faced similar rejections? How have you handled? Can somebody share one or two experiences? Before I proceed, thank you, sir, for making it. And Frederick D'Souza, Mr. Frederick D'Souza is here. Thank you very much for making it, sir. Sir, I hope it has. Acha, can you share your experiences? Can one of you share your experience? How did you handle your anger? How did you handle your jealousy or envy? Have you ever been envious? Doesn't matter. It's a discussion. Nobody is going to mock it. Are you here? Are you audible? My meditation, excellent. Excellent. Any other feeling? Yes, any other feeling? Any other feeling? Listening to songs. It makes you happier. See, in meditation also you can handle, wherein you are going to remove the negativity. Well, I practice meditation on a daily basis. So I do it regularly, at least twice a day. So when you are removing the negativity, it helps you a lot. It makes you happier, makes you feel contented. And when it is contented, you are obviously able to enjoy the life. Life is too short. Do not carry grudges. Let me tell you that. Learn to forgive. It is difficult to forget, but put it to the back of your mind. Count your blessings right from this moment. Now, when I say how to handle intimidation, when I say intimidation or bullying, क्या होता है यहाँ पे? Somebody is teasing you for something, but जब intimidation होता है, you are allowing them. आप उसको क्यों power दे रहे हो? Right? सामने वाले को आप power क्यों दे रहे हो? Don't give the however related the other person is to you, it is your secret, your boundary. He or she has to respect. First of all, you respect your boundaries. You set them. Create your own respect. That is how you overcome intimidation. Will you try practicing all these things right from now?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी से practice करोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how. What about jealousy? How will you practice for jealousy? Just a recap for what we did. How will you overcome jealousy or handle jealousy? you are going to think, what is the quality that I have, in me? What is the quality if I don't have it in me, right? So now, when I talk about all these basic negative qualities that all of us go through, I'm going to talk about one more thing where I may not be a great speaker on that, but we also talk about sexuality, which is very, very important. I thought as students, you are also like my little brothers and sisters, but this is something that we don't openly discuss, right? When we don't openly discuss, generally this, is passed on from mother to daughter, whatever. But since our society is very conservative, we are very, very culture-based society, we don't talk about this. But in case you're not able to discuss this explicitly with somebody you trust in, it is going to cause a lot of frustration and all the negative things in the physical and the mental health is going to be a problem for you in future. Therefore, trust somebody, or if you don't find anybody, approach a good mental health practitioner, right? All these emotions will have to be handled. Otherwise, it will hamper your personality. And if it is handled, you will be emotionally empowered. You will know who you are. You will know how to handle every single emotion. And it has to be constantly practiced. It doesn't come in a day. So can I take it as a promise from you that you will be able to handle everything? All these emotions, can we take it as a promise? You will start practicing,
Yes.
all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any queries? Do you have any questions? Do you have anything to share? Do you have anything to share? Thank you once again, sir, for making it today. So I am done with it for the day. If you have anything, please share, or else we will wind up. So are we done? So shall I end the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I hope it was worthwhile. Frederick, sir. So thank you very much. See you all and practice everything I said. It helps you a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
So bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.